Hi guys, so on this little video I'm gonna do the what's in my bags, because I do have one bag for when I go out, of course, and then my work bag, purse bag, etc, whatever. So let's go first with my regular purse, which is this one. Of course, I'm a Steelers fan, even though my husband is he's in the Bird gang, goes all about Cardinals, but come on, I will never ever betray my Steelers. Anyways, these are my car keys and house key. This is from, I used to say Jessica Simpson, but I've had this wallet for years. I would say about around the same time I got married. It's about 8, 9. Let's see. Look, my dental card, my sunglasses. Got these on Amazon, and then, well, I got this on Amazon with my other pair of glasses. I'll try showing them later, but I got these, which is Oscar de la Renta. I love these. These are like, kind of wish I could have like eyeglasses, because I wear eyeglasses and I like the style of it, so a lot of receipts. Next, my beautiful day from Bath and Body Works. You know, I have so many like fragrance in my purse that I don't even know which one to use. So that's why my bag is always heavy. Of course, the A Thousand Wishes, my little cute little hand sanitizer holder. Okay, my whole family, friends, co-workers, they know my addict. I am an addict of Afrin, so I always have because it fits on my allergies. I'm sick, I can't breathe. So yeah, I always have one in my car, I have one in my work, I have one in my purse, my work purse. I have them everywhere. Constant. See, everywhere you go, you never know if they have toilet paper or not. Always have these in your purse, because my butt is sensitive. So I have gum, my little wallet. This, I always have it with me just in case, like, oh, to a bar or something and I don't want to take my whole purse, so I just get my ID, my card, or some loose bills that I have in my purse and just put it in here, so I don't have to take out all my purse. So. Oh, another charger, pen. I love this pen. This is for change, but right now I haven't. It's barely new, so. What else? This. No, it's not those little nipple covers. No, this is actually supposed to be in my car, so I could put it. It's supposed to like hang to this, I guess. I don't know, one of those things for my phones. See, one of these is supposed to be in here. It's to hold my you can see it. It's like a little cell phone holder. It's supposed to be like connected. I haven't done it, so put it back in my bag. Yeah, anyways, those are the, when Aunt Flo comes in, sometimes it catches me a surprise. What else? My checkbook. Rewriting drops for my contacts. When I wear my contacts, it's really rare that I wear contacts, just because I hate having to like wash my hands, put them on, and then what if they're dry, and then yeah, I'd rather stay with my glasses. To clean my my glasses, lighter. You never know when you need a lighter. I don't smoke daily, only like when I'm kind of drunk and when I'm feeling like a cigarette, but I really can't smoke because my doctor said no bueno. Another one. I need to put this one in my freaking work purse because I've been running out. Carmex. I love Carmex. It makes my lips nice and smooth. Got lip coming to me. Floss. I am using floss ever since they took out my 4 wisdom teeth in one damn day. But it's better than going back and forth to take the one from the other side, take the lower one. I was like, just take all 4 of them. Yeah, it hurt. Yeah, I was swollen, and I'm still like, it hurts on my left side, but I mean, at least they're all gone. So, and then I got my Sunburn. I don't know if you guys heard of this. I love this. I am addicted to this. Yeah, I still buy full-size perfumes, but I love this because you get to try a sample. And I got the red one. I have 2 reds of these, and then I have a white one. I'll talk about it later on another video. But I got this. I got the, oh, I love this one. One of my friends' cousin got me addicted to this one. I gotta find the original. Cheap and chic. Cheap and chic. I mean, that's kind of describes me. I am cheap and I like to be chic. But anyway, I need to find this perfume. I need to buy it. Probably go through Perfumania, whatever it's called. More receipts. Oh, lotion, chapstick. Yes, when all my friends know me, I'm kind of silly, but I don't know, when I do something bad or something's gonna go wrong, or before I go traveling, I always have my holy water. One day, me and my husband and his older sister went to this is funny though, to a casino, and we were like, I kept on seeing her rubbing the screen, and then she's like, I've seen people that have good luck with that after they rub the screen of whatever game they're playing. And I'm like, you know what? I'm like, I have holy water. Maybe you'll never know what happens. And bam! My sister-in-law won about, I think, $300. So I was like, whenever I go to the casino, I'm gonna be like, holy water on that game. Let me see it. Lipstick. Oh, you know what? This is my favorite color from L'Oreal. It's Toasted Almond. Why I love this, can you tell my child bit it? But the reason why I love this color is because it's kind of like, you can't tell if I have lipstick or not. I don't know. I think that's why. More pens. Some alcohol wipes. Candy, loose change, you can tell. So that's it. You know, I have that. Another chapstick on my side. But I think that's it. I really don't have that much. Whoa. I don't have that much stuff in my purse. In my everyday purse. Why? Because I just hate having to carry a heavy purse. So that's it on this one. Next on my work purse. My work box. I work at the hospital. I do registration. I charge you on whatever you use. Anyways, so guess I always stack up on snacks, because wherever I'm at, I mean, I'm always hungry, and I'm a fat girl at heart. But anyways, got my little bag, and I have pens, highlighters, whiteout. You know, whenever you make mistakes, you get in trouble for that. So another Love Sunshine. I need to get more of the lotion. I want to get the bigger one because love it. I love it. My comadre Nikki, she bought it for me. The Beautiful Day spray that I have on my. I need to find the. She got me these two on my birthday, and we have the same birthday, August 27th. But I'm a little bit older. I feel so old. But my comadre, she bought me these two, and they smell awesome. I've never really paid attention to them because I'm a Bath Body work whore. Because I love the hand sanitizer, the lotion, but I never really liked like the sprays. And once I started getting into like putting sprays, because I like perfume, but I got like more into the body sprays, like for work, but we're not supposed to wear spray. But since I'm always like in the office or like up front, you know, I could use sprays. I love it. I fell in love with this one more. So, and I bought the lotion, and I have it, and you can buy one. Anyway, so got the lotion and my vitamin, and the only thing I have is just like my gummies for women's vitamins, and then the hair, skin, and nails. So I always drink them. I got some Starbucks napkins, gotta throw that away. See, hand sanitizer that I need to buy, my work wash. See, I told you guys. Got my Snickers and my little Slim Jim. I'm trying to go miniature because every time I buy my snacks, I buy like a big bag of hot Cheetos or the humongous Snickers. But I need to go like lower it down to the, you know, the snack size, because I don't want to gain a lot of weight. Another hand sanitizer, mermaid one. Oh crap! No, what is going on? Okay, I got some. Got some vitamins on the loose. Sorry, put this away. My planner. This is where I put my schedule, and then I put, this is more a planner. I know it's a planner, but I use it more like a diary. And when I say like a diary, it's like I mark the days that I had some. So my husband can be like, I just gave you some yesterday. Like, no, I written it that we had at this day, so you can't lie to me. Never. What else? I put everything on here, like my appointments. See, you can see the 10th, those are anniversary. So yeah, my planner, my diary, my everything. I have my little notebook. This one, I have all my stuff, like what, I don't know, I guess like the health, yes, healthy fats. Yeah, I write down like what I can eat with the carbs, like what low carbs I could actually eat, but I don't follow it. So it's just a useless notebook that I put healthy notes, I guess, but I don't use them, so whatever. When I had to go get my prescriptions for my glasses and my contacts, I'm getting blinder. She said she had to upgrade it more. And this is Nothing to Say Here, which has all my websites and blogs with password, the username, so I won't forget. I have so many blogs, especially for work. It's mostly at work, personal. So just pins. Another one, Be Yourself, but again, it is all about passwords. I'm gonna transfer them to that cute black one that I got. So cute. Another pen, my favorite pen too. Oh, This is from like Ipsy, but I stopped getting Ipsy. I really didn't like it because it's just, nah. It just gives you samples and it's like no. So I stopped. It's from Ipsy. Here. Oh yeah. See, eye drops for contacts. Vaseline. Some matte lipstick. Oh, whenever I get sick. Some more of these when Aunt Flo comes and visits. Peanut bottle. Oh, you always need it, especially at work, like after you eat and then when you're snacking on something, you have like that aftertaste or the after smell. So I always have these. I'm gonna buy some more. More lotion, because I always share with my girls at work, and I need to get like that big size. Another one, see, another Scentsy. I'm telling you, I love perfume. And so this is my white one. And this one I have Burberry Brit Sheer, which I love this one. I had to order it twice because the first time that I got it, I get to smell it and I was like, oh, it smells good. And I put it back in the little container that it comes with. My daughters were fighting for it and I just heard like it broke, like glass breaking. And I wanted to cry. These little girls. Oh my god, I'm up to 17 minutes. More, I love this one. I had to tell one of my friends what cook. She is like my sister, and she always used this color. And I'm like, I fell in love with this color. I'm like, I want to try it because we're both dark. But I fell in love with it, and when I put it on, I fell in love with it. And it's plus it's matte, so it's like, so got that one. More of these. You put that in my purse. More pins. Oh, this is one of the tops. And then some Tylenol. So that's it. I mean, more papers, junk. On the little sides, pins. I got these little oil absorbers. That's the only one I remember. I really don't use them. Oh, I had gauze when I had my 4 wisdom teeth popped out, and every time I feel like I'm like bleeding or taste of blood, I'll like put them in, but I don't need them anymore. What else? I think that's it. Oh, you're a cute little thing. How the hell? Yeah, I can't do it, but it would pop. And he did it when I'm bored at work. I'll just be like blowing on it. Yes, girls do get bored at work. Just kidding. I better not get fired. But yeah, that's it. Just a little junks and snacks in my work purse. But that's it. I really don't have anything interesting in my purses. Oh, and I did have earlier my charger for work. Okay, but that's it. Nothing interesting, nothing out of like non-normal, I guess you could say, but that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, whatever you gotta do. Let me know what else you want to see. What else I mean, I am planning on doing another tutorial for spring look, because I love doing yellow. Even though I'm dark skinned, I love the color yellow, green, and purple. Purple's my favorite color. But just let me know what else you want to see, because